Ethereum is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We're at well over 1,500 members in our Telegram channel, which is free. If you guys want to stay up to date as well as up to my trades in terms of everything that's happening, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we ended up testing our 20 exponential moving average absolutely perfectly. In yesterday's video, I mentioned to you guys that I'm going to be paying heavy attention to this zone first, because of course the fact that Ethereum is in extreme overbought conditions, as well as the fact that we haven't really tested our 20 EMA just yet. And now you can see that we've seen the retest, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, okay, Pingu, is this the time for a long opportunity? And there's a few things that I want to talk about. Number one, for those of you that like scalping, you can enter a possible long scalp into the 9 exponential moving average, but of course we have to see the bulls try to break back above this level and use it as support before any sort of continuation. The only issue I see as of right now, of course, on the 20 exponential moving averages, although we have seen a retest and we do see buyers are of course present, what happens 9 out of 10 times in these current zones is you see the level being tested once again, and then a third time for a break structure, and then you start seeing this candlestick right here where you had the massive short squeeze. There's a ton of liquidity that's trapped within that range. That would be the zone that I would be paying attention to. Now, this is a perfect zone where you want to be looking in terms of trading opportunities, because it's very simple. All you're really doing is waiting for the 20 exponential moving average to be broken to enter that shorting position down to 32.75. But of course, from a long perspective, for those of you that want to enter these long positions, all we're really doing is just going to be sitting on our hands and waiting for 35.23. 35.23 ends up breaking above, we enter that long position for that squeeze and that continuation. You don't necessarily want to be trading in between this zone, which is why I'm giving you guys two sort of scenarios, and it's all dependent on whether or not we see a candle close below that level. That's going to be the confirmation, of course, for you guys to be looking for that 32.75 trade. But if we end up just trading within this range and of course breaking back above our exponential moving averages, that doesn't mean we look for that long. We simply just wait until the wick high is broken, and then we enter those scalp positions for that long opportunity on that continuation. The reason we trade like this, of course, is because you can see that Ethereum is already in an extreme overbought conditions. We did end up playing this trade in our Telegram channel, but now isn't a time to be entering this trade up here, because as I explained in yesterday's video, you enter a trade here and the market sees a correction. That's a pretty large downswing move versus just entering some scalp positions on these wick highs that are being broken here and immediately exiting those positions. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hope you guys have